Greetings you all. This is how to play dzula ralo. So I will use G sharp, F sharp and C sharp. So before wasting of time, let's get to it. I will start with G sharp, okay? It starts right here. Sorry. This one is my favorite. Dzula ralo avashanduki swinganyi meroi murana hatembeaho zwalini nalini dzula ralo avashanduki swinganyi meroi murana hatembeaho zwalini nalini. I hope I explained the keys. You saw them. So you can change it to spade. You say udula lijwale agafetuli kimayemo lirata la gawe lidula lilijale. So let's go to F sharp. If you didn't understand, please go and check again and again and again. That one was G sharp. Now we are going to F sharp, okay? So in F sharp, it starts right here. Dzula ralo avashanduki swinganyi meroi murana hatembeaho zwalini nalini dzula ralo avashanduki singami meroi murana hatembeaho zwalini nalini. This one is my favorite. So if you didn't understand, you will go and check again and again, okay? Let's go to C sharp before wasting of time. Okay, in C sharp it starts right here. You see this key, second inversion of F sharp, okay? Second inversion of F sharp, it starts right here. Remember, this is C sharp, okay? Dzula ralo avashanduki swinganyi meroi murana hatembeaho zwalini nalini dzula ralo avashanduki swinganyi meroi. You see, murana hatembeaho sorry zwalini nalini. I hope you saw it, guys. I hope you saw it. Let me play it. Udula alijwali agafetuli ki maemo more lerato la gagwe lidula lilijwali. Thank you guys. I hope you saw it. That one was my favorite, Sham.